Let's begin with a mindful meditation, discovering the profound interconnectedness of our breath with the ecosystems that sustain us. Get into a comfortable seated position, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. Feel your feet firmly rooted into the earth. Notice your breathing. As you breathe in, be aware you are breathing in. As you breathe out, be aware you are breathing out. Enjoy a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, let go of any tension or distractions. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, breathing in and out. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen as you breathe in and out. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it in any way. With each breath you take in, you are drawing in life-sustaining oxygen from the atmosphere. As you exhale, you release carbon dioxide back into the air. The oxygen we breathe is produced by the plants through photosynthesis, and in return, they use the carbon dioxide that we exhale. Envision your out-breath mingling with the air around you, becoming a gift for the plants. Visualize the plants and the trees soaking in the carbon dioxide we exhale, and offer gratitude to the plants for the oxygen we inhale. We are part of a delicate and harmonious interconnected dance with nature, supporting and nurturing each other. Feel a sense of unity with all living beings, knowing that the breath of life connects us all. Enjoy a moment to express gratitude for the breath of life. Embrace our connection and allow yourself to feel a deep sense of peace and belonging. As we nurture care outdoors, carry the awareness of your breath and our connection to nature with you.